Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Arham and I am from BS History Department. Today I tell you about a little bit introduction about Python. What is Python? In Python, Python is a programming language, so we can use Python as a calculator. So we can simply perform these operators on the Python. Firstly, we can simply add, subtract, we can multiply, divide. We can also find out the module and exponential form. So by this way, we can use Python as a calculator. So if we want to check out check out or perform any calculation on a Python, then we can use simply a Python. Creating list, if we want to create a list into a Python, then we can simply perform this way. The whole is equal to this. Kit means kitchen, live means living area, bed means bedroom, bath means bathroom. So these are the areas of the so we can want to create the areas of these rooms. Then we can simply represent it with the square brackets and we can print, and the list will be created. So list of the list in Python, we can create list of the list. By this way, we can simply use a square brackets, and this square brackets also enclosed into another square brackets which contain an information. By this way, we can create list of the list. In slicing, we can use a simple semicolon, and firstly we can give you the zero value, and then the values will be increased by one. So if we wanted to check out the downstream area, then and we can write up to 0 to 6. So the our data will be given out. By this way, we can get our data. And we want to count our data, then we can simply use a count. And we want to indexing our data, then when indexing means check the position of the data in which it lies. So when this query prosecute, then it give answer 2, because the first value give 1, 0, 1 and 2. So the 20 will be lie on the 2 position, so the answer will be 2. And in this way we can check out how many times 9.50 will be appeared. So simply we can use count. So their answer will be 1. NumPy is a way we can convert our data into an array form. So that is from my side, and this is the certificate that I got from Datacamp. Thank you.